Oneida Air Systems USA-made Dust Deputy Low Pro Lid Separator Deluxe Kit separates up to 99% of nearly any type of dust before it reaches your wet-dry vacuum's filter, eliminating filter clogging and suction loss. Let's test it. Can it separate larger planer shavings? Yes, it can. Can it separate finer wood dusts? It sure does. Can it separate sand and small stones? Absolutely. Can it even separate water? Indeed it does. Stay tuned for even more separation tests with the USA-made Dust Deputy Low Pro Lid Separator Deluxe Kit from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection.